It's a new month, and guess what came in? This is April's Ipsy Glam bag and Ipsy BoxyCharm. This bag is definitely giving beach vibes, so I'm already ready for summer. Let's see what we got inside. This is from the brand called Byroe. This is a Pore Berry Refining Toner. It smells really good. It is vegan and cruelty-free. The next one is the Goldfaden MD. This is a body care product. This is a body scrub. It said that it's hydrating, restoring, and it's moisturizing. So it says it has properties to firm and brighten the skin, so let's try it out. This smells like summer. It's supposed to enhance and give you a nice natural glow once it dries down. Dries down beautifully, and it's not super heavy on the skin. It's a lighter moisturizer. This month we got another Elemis product. So this is the Superfood Glow Moisturizing Primer. It said that it's an illuminating moisturizer, so I'm actually just gonna try like a little bit on my chest so we could see. Ooh, it is, and it's not tacky. It looks gorgeous. We have the $1 Billion Brow Lift from the brand called $1 Billion Brows. It's gonna just be a clear brow gel with a really nice smaller applicator, which I love. Let's go and just like refresh these guys real quick. Next, this is from the brand called Kiss and Mink. This is a cruelty-free and vegan. And before I even open it up, I love this color. So this is a Lip Aurora Tinted Lip Oil. This is in the shade called Peony. I already have just like a lip mask on, so I'm gonna try this guy out. These feel so nice on the lips. It's not sticky. It's very moisturizing. That was everything in the Ipsy Glam bag. Let's move on to the BoxyCharm.